Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually we'll work on Lincoln MKX and Ford Edge first generation, guys, from year 2007 to year 2014, guys. We'll show you how to remove or how to replace the trunk lock actuator. Okay, that's the device that closes your trunk, keeps it closed, and that's the one that releases and opens it as well. Stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this generation Ford Edge, Lincoln MKX, and more than 200 videos on every single car we get at the shop. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy a replacement lock actuator, if you need to buy any tools, parts, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. It's there for your convenience. So check it out now. These guys, okay, right now it's a 2009 Ford Edge, 2009 Ford Edge, but it will work on Lincoln MKX as well. This is the trunk lock actuator. Stay with us and we will show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace that thing now. So now guys, we need to remove that plastic cover, the whole cover. Here in that handle we have 2 screws with a few head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove those. Once we guys remove those, okay, we have 2 more that we need to remove after that. The other 2 are located right here. Okay, and those are missing already, guys. Now, I don't think we have any screws holding. We get a plastic panel removal too. We pry it down. Okay, there is a few clips, I can see them. Okay, perfect. A few of them came out, guys. So we will need to show you how to install them later. Okay, it's coming loose, guys. It's coming loose. Now, we have a few right there holding. Okay, 2 more clips in the middle, guys. So, okay, and you can see how they're holding. So we need to start on this side. Okay, right there. And we pull down, guys. And we go on the other side as well. The same thing. Okay, let's grab and pull down. Okay. But somebody needs to actually hold. Okay, we're trying to reach with the 2 there. Okay, let me see if we hold it. That thing, guys, fell out. Careful not to get hurt, guys. Okay, this is the clip that fell out. This clip goes right here. Okay, let me show you. If you need to get a replacement clips, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now we need to remove these clips. Hold them with your hand because they'll fly away. Pull them out and install them on that panel, guys. And we will explain where all the clips are. We have 2 more that we need to remove. One over there. Perfect. And then we guys have, okay, 1 over here. Perfect, guys. Okay, this one came out as well. Now let us show you where all the clips are. Okay, we have a couple more that are actually missing, guys. Okay, they were not installed last time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 2 are missing and we have 2 and 2, 4 screws, and that whole cover, guys, okay, comes out just like that. Now guys, let us show you here. This is the lock actuator, trunk lock actuator. We got to it now, guys. So what we need to do, okay, we have 3 screws that we need to remove with Torx 25. Okay, start looking bit. Torx 25, guys. We thought it was 30, but it's actually 25. You can see what they look like. So let's go ahead, okay, get those loose. Okay, they're super tight, so we will need to pre-loosen them, guys, and we will see, okay, if we can take them off. That door lock trunk lock actuator, excuse me, guys, they're known to go bad. Sometimes you will have thread locker here. Why? So those bolts will not get loose from vibrations, guys. Okay, we got them loose. We can use the power screwdriver. Even though they have thread locker, it should come out, but you can see it just they're tight, guys. At first they're super tight, and not just at first, they're extremely tight. Okay, so we'll have to do it, guys, by hand. We thought we can do it, but it takes ridiculous amount of power to remove them. So we pre-loosen them, guys. Okay, I think they'll come off now. At first they're pretty tight. After that they get a little bit easier. Okay, check that blue thing, that's thread locker, guys. Go ahead, remove the two on top. On the right side, excuse me. Now, guys, okay, let's see what we have here. It should come out, guys. Okay, it should come out. Ah, I got stuck right here. Let me show you now. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, you just come out in an angle, guys. Okay, and you pull it out. Now, only thing that we have, guys, okay, is that connector here that we need to remove. Okay, so press in here and disconnect it. And we need to open, okay, we need to open that clip. You can open it or you can pull it out. And this is, guys, okay, the trunk lock actuator out of there. That plastic mechanism sometimes will break, guys. It has a plastic gear inside that opens and closes, and if it breaks, it's done. Pretty much done deal. So that's how you guys remove it. So that's how you guys remove the trunk lock actuator. If you need to get a replacement one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. It should work on Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX for a generation. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.